Something really special here at the ponds. The black swans got some cygnets, and better still, they're out of the water, so we can actually get a good look at them as well. So this is very cool. I don't want to get too close, I don't want to startle them, but this is very, very good. Oh, they're just gorgeous. We're so lucky here to have nature on our doorstep and an environment so clean and healthy and safe that this can happen and we get to share it. Yeah, it's gorgeous. A family of two becomes a family of five.